Welcome to MyCAD tutorials, and from this channel you can learn AutoCAD 2D, SketchUp and Lumin from beginner level to advanced level. In the draw panel, there are many tools are available related to line command. You can see here the other tools related to line command. In previous video we have seen the construction line command, and now in this video we will learn how to use ray command. So to invoke the ray command, we have to just click on the ray. So you can see here the ray command is placed in the draw panel drop down. So just click on the ray and ray command is invoked. Ray creates a line that starts from particular point and continues to infinity. Lines that start from one point and extend to infinity only in one direction, and also can be drawn in particular angles called rays, and it is used as reference to create other objects. So ray commands creates a line that starts from particular point and continues to infinity in only one direction, whereas the construction line command was create line to a infinity length in both directions. And to invoke the ray command, just click on the ray from the draw panel drop down, or you can use the shortcut key. Just type RAY and press enter. So the ray command is invoked now. AutoCAD showing us specify the start point. We have to specify the start point. Then you can see here the ray line is started from one point and it continues to infinity length. So we can draw the ray lines by using ray. We have to specify the point where we want to draw the ray line. So I have selected this point, then this point, this point, this point. By this way we can draw the rays from one particular point. So I am showing one example. For example, this is a staircase and this is a landing, and I want to create the parts of this landing. So what I will do, first of all I will on the polar tracking from the status bar. So this polar tracking will track the angles. So I am selecting 10 degree, 20 degree and 30 degree from here. I am just clicking on this. Now I am invoking the ray command by typing RAY and press enter. So now ray command is invoked. I am selecting base point from here. I am selecting this point. Again I am selecting this point. Selecting this point. This point. This point. So now the parts of the staircase is drawn, but this is looking so congested, so I am just deleting some lines from here. So we have created the parts of the landing by using ray command. Now I want to erase these extra lines, so I will type TR and press enter 2 times and selecting these lines. So by this way we can trim the lines. Right click and select enter. By this way we can make the parts of this landing. So I am showing you another example to using the ray command. So for that I am selecting angle 30, 60, 90 from the polar tracking, and I am again invoking the ray command by typing RAY and press enter. I want to select the center point of this circle. I want to create the sun. So I will select the base point as a center point of this circle. So I am selecting the base point here. This is tracking the 30 degree angle here, 60 degree here. I am just clicking on this. So AutoCAD is taking the angles automatically, and we have to just click where we want to draw the rays. So I have drawn the rays here, and to come out from the ray command, just press the escape or space key. So now I want to trim these all inner side lines. So I am again trimming these lines by TR and press enter 2 times. So I am trimming these lines. So you can see here our sun is drawn. So by this way we can use the ray command to draw ray lines, and it creates line from particular point. Use the ray command as per your requirement. So thank you so much for watching. If you got something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press on the bell icon to get notified for new videos.